What's the word? What's the word? It's your boy Dashinq. We back. We out here, man. Just get off the gig here. And the map is gray. It's gray. So it's got me scratching my head because it's Thursday. It's Thirsty Thursday. Ain't no way. The map gray. We stay out the way when the map gray. But I'm finna go and go get some gas real quick and see what the hell is really good. What's going on, y'all? Word, we at this Arby's picking up this $5 for 2.2 miles. First order of the day. Let's go. Let's get this money. Hey, y'all, it's the first drop off this Arby's order. $5 for 2 miles. How you doing? Y'all, just like that, man. I dropped the Arby's off and got to the light. Turned the map back on because I'm being wise with my time now. Like, I'm not gonna be leaving the map open, and then I'm susceptible to all type of orders. So I'm pausing it until I get back into a prime zone where I know it's gonna pop at, and I'm pausing. Now, whatever I receive at that point, I address then. But I just got a 15.55 plus Chick-fil-A order for 6.8 miles. 6.8 miles. So that's a great order to get the day started, pretty much. I got the $5 dime, and now this one. Hey, that's beautiful. Let's go. We gotta make up for the little time. I lost about 30 minutes, y'all. So let's go. Gotta walk through the cut. Hopefully it's ready, y'all. Hopefully it's order. Nope, it's not. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. It's the drop off of this Chick-fil-A. That was the $15 plus for 6.8 miles. All right, y'all. So I was on my way back from that 15.25 order. It came out to $17. So I was on my way back. That 6 mile hike back, but I stopped on the highway and got some gas and opened the map back up because we got Taco Bell and Diamond District right across the interstate. So, and I got a $5 2.2 mile Taco Bell order. So that's where we at. All for that Taco Bell. I'm gonna leave this at the porch. Snap a photo of it. I got a $5.09. Really, $5.09 for 2.2 miles. Right after I dropped off this.
Turn right onto 5th Avenue South.
And we in the Diamond District, but yeah. So I knew that was gonna happen. Now it's college kids and took over, and it's either gonna be it's gonna be those type of orders. So
in 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
That's cool too. I'll take it. I just wanna I hope they just I don't know. I'll take it. We'll see how it go. If they keep them coming, I'll keep accepting them. So. Let's go ahead and get this Chipotle. It's right here. And I see you guys at the drop off. Yeah. Let's get this shmoney.
Your destination is...
Right, this is that Chipotle drop off. The customer wants today. Ooh, nice. I got an order from Greek Cravens. It's a gyro spot. Beautiful music, right? All right, here's that drop from Greek Cravens. I never had that. I'm gonna have to go try that out. So that last drop off was only 2.2 miles, and I'm in another little town called Salt Rapids. But I got a Subway order, $5.50 for 2.2 miles. Finna go ahead and grab this and keep it pushing, y'all. So far, so good. Let's go. We maximizing the time and we making profit. That's what it's about. Here's the Subway drop off. As soon as I find this customer. Okay, here we go. Here's the apartment. We're just gonna leave this order right here. Yo, just got a Noodles and Company, $6.50 for. I just got an order from Noodles and Company. $6 for 2.2 miles. About to go ahead and drop this shit off real quick. Keep it moving, keep it pushing, You know how we coming. Been alright though. Tonight been been pretty good. We on track to make our money within 4 hours, so at 10 o'clock. But I'm gonna go to 11. Make those frozen tools, a little extras, you know. You know, what's up, y'all? I just took a terrible, well, it's not a terrible order. It is. It's not a good order. Not a good order at all. And don't be like me, but look, I'm telling you that sometimes...
Continue on Minnesota 23 West for 1.5 miles.
Sometimes you're gonna get in situations to where you have to take orders that you ain't gonna want. I know how it is. I become stubborn, y'all. I realize I become really stubborn. I don't like taking no tip orders. I don't like taking high mileage orders, like none of that, and I decline. But I'm still conscious on my stats, and I'm not gonna, you know. So I just let go, and I let go of my ego for a moment, and I just took this one order. I got to give one back. $10.50. Reason why I took it because it's $10.50. It knocks out 2 orders I'm looking like, because I've been getting $5, $6 orders, right? It knocks out 2 orders, I feel like. $10.50, that's decent. But the mileage is terrible. It's 8 miles. But what it did is it got me out this Diamond District, which I didn't have to spend, you know. I was waiting to get an order, but it's not the order I wanted, but it's okay. Because it got me out the Diamond District where I was getting these little lower orders, these $4, $5 orders, because these college kids, and it's putting me back into the, you know, the prime, the cream of the crop right now. The market's gonna keep switching. Remember, the Diamond District used to be popping, y'all. Now I'm getting, you know, I'm realizing that smaller orders are coming out. But so yeah, I took this $10.50. I think it's Kono's Bar and Grill and a Truth's Pizza. So I didn't really look at, you know, each one of them. I really don't care. I didn't want to take it, but it's one of the situations where I had to. So, all right, that's my only one that I'm doing for the night. The rest, if I gotta drop below 70%, so be it. But yeah, I really don't want to, but I guess sometimes you have to, you know, it's a game of odds, and how your next move be your best move. So it's the not so good part of that not so good order I took, but hey, we took it. $10.50. No time to cry. We gonna get this money. Keep it moving. The other restaurant route. So I just got a Granite City order. It's 1.9 miles. I think it's like $10.50. And then I got another add-on. It's a Burger King. It's a 12.25 plus for like 6.3 miles. So let's grab this and get on down to Burger King, grab that, and get on down the road. All right, I got this drop off for this Granite City burger. It's 208. Yeah, it's crib 208. All right, we getting down to the nitty gritty. Here got a B-Dubs, $8.50 for 2.9 miles. We on our way to it. We are currently on a 30-minute wait for the entire store. What the fuck? Oh my God, are you serious? For real? That sign on the door? They said they got a 30-minute wait? Oh, it's over with? Oh, okay. So here's our Burger King pickup. From that stacked order, we got that B-Dubs, and this is the Burger King order for $7 plus. I just gotta wait and drive through because the inside closed. Look at these windows. God damn. Like, them flies trying to get that taxi, free taxi. We ain't going. $8.50. It's probably more from Tapas Pizza. It's a 2 drop off, but I'm kind of in a rush. I gotta take my girl to work, so this is a drop off. I guess it's for some college students. 723. Yo, hey, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Even if you didn't, you just came to see my whether my profit was. Thank you. Either way, hey, I appreciate you. But hey, we made $108 tonight. Tonight was smooth. I didn't really have too many bad orders. The ones I did, you know what I did. Unsigned decline. Quick. No, we in and out. Bank robbery. But made our money like we always do. We just stick to the plan. We don't deviate. We don't stress. If it do come in, we try to remain calm. Smoke us a little weed, and that's it. You know, just get the money. Focus on the main goal. We know what we're here for. Know what our why is. Look, I know what he here for. Look at him. Look, watch this. Chirpers. He see food. He see food, and he follow you everywhere. Look at him. Look at him.